Good morning, everyone. Today I'll be explaining you about the business environment and dimensions of business environment. So here we go. What is business environment? Means the external and the internal forces influencing the business decisions in the form of economic, social, political and technological factors and are outside the control of the business. So these are the dimensions of business environment: legal, political, economic, social and technological. So the first one is economic environment. It consists of economic factors that influence the business in a country. It includes gross national product, corporate profits, inflation rate, interest rates, disposable incomes, etc. For example, first, disposable income. What are disposable income? Disposable income are the income which is left over after giving taxes to the government. So if there is, for example, nowadays we are using Hathway connections, internet connections because of the increase in the disposable income of the people. Next is interest rate. For example, if bank decreases the interest rate, then it will give a boost to the automobile industries, because most of the transactions of purchasing a car, bike, automobile is done through bank loans. And the third is inflation rate. Inflation means rise in the prices. For example, today the price of sugar is 100 rupees, and in future it gets converted into 120 rupees. So it will affect the business a lot, because if person is spending 60 today on sugar, or 100 today on sugar and 20 on any other another item, for example chocolates, then in future he cannot do this because of the increase in the price of sugar. Second is social environment. It includes society in which the business works, literacy rate, customs, values, beliefs, lifestyles. For example, when initially KFC came into India, then it started selling beef items in patties, burgers, etc. So it created a lot of resentment among the people because they worship cow. So they can't let other people eat cow. So they started burning outlets of KFC. So it affected KFC business a lot. And also we are opening gyms because of the increased awareness among the demand for the people of gyms, low calorie food products, etc. So it more depends upon the taste and preferences of the people. So the next one is political environment. It consists of political stability and the policies of the government. So there should be stability in the country, because for example, if any BJP or any Congress party swap the ministers of a particular cabinet, then it creates the political activities of the business. So in this way there should be stability in the business. Second comes the peace. There should be peace. For example, recently the Companies Act stated that people of any other country who came to settle in India, who are basically the refugees of the country, of other countries, should go back to their nation. So people started burning the houses, started pelting stones on the people. So there should be stability in the country, because it also lose the interest of the foreign investors who came to invest in a particular state, for example Haryana, Delhi, etc. So there should be peace in the country. So the next is legal environment. It consists of legislation passed by the parliament and state legislators. For example, in Companies Act 2013, it is legally necessary for the firms and organization to give some part of their profits to the corporate social responsibility, that is CSR, as a donation to the people. And then comes knowledge of rules and regulations is necessary for better business performance. Example, CBSE is conducting the practical exams of 20 marks now, but previously they used to conduct 100 marks exams of SST or any other subject. And also smoking is injurious to health is written on the cigarette packs. So it is legally necessary for them to write on the cigarette packs, because high penalties, because if they will not be writing these kind of warnings to people, then there would be high penalties given to the government by them. Next is the technological environment. It includes forces related to scientific improvements and innovations. For example, 50-60 years ago, the clothes were manufactured by humans, or they were manufactured manually. But now, with the coming of machines, it is increasing the per unit production of the clothes, and also provide new ways and techniques of producing goods and services, of doing a business. Now with the coming of e-commerce websites like Swiggy, Zomato, eBay, Urban Club, etc., these are becoming more and more popular among the people because they are more dependent on these type of websites, which is giving a boost to these type of websites. So in this way, these all environments affects the business.